Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping by for this rainbow crepe cake video. Hope you enjoy. I created this cake as a tribute to my dad for his birthday. He didn't actually have a favorite color. He always said that he loved all colors of the rainbow, so that's why I chose a rainbow cake. So let's get started. We're going to start by first making the crepe batter. The batter itself is fairly simple. It only calls for 4 eggs, a cup of flour, a cup of milk. You can use whole milk or skim milk, whichever you prefer. Half a cup of unsalted butter. If you use salted butter, then you can skip the salt. Add some vanilla and then mix it well. I recommend using an immersion blender or just tossing the batter into a blender so that it mixes extremely well and gets rid of the clumps. Then you separate the batter out and add your coloring as you need. So I used a red food gel. You can use whatever you prefer. And then to make the crepes is fairly simple. I didn't have a crepe pan at the time, but I recommend using one if you have one. I always put butter in the bottom of the pan and then move the pan around just to make sure that the crepes are thin and consistently the same thickness all the way through. After a minute or so, I shake the pan to loosen the crepe up, and then because I want the color to remain pretty much intact, I flip it really quickly, let it cook for like 2 seconds, flip it back, and that cooks the top without actually changing the color. So that's how I created the crepes. Obviously you want quite a few of them, and then you'll do the same thing with other colors. So orange here, for example. I used a food gel. And then you cook those crepes, and then once they are done, you just start creating new colors like green and yellow and blue and purple, whatever colors you like. Obviously I did the colors of the rainbow. And then for assembly, I made a strawberry pastry cream. Now I'll have a recipe for this on my website, which is linked below in the description box. But the assembly is really simple. You want to apply really thin layers of pastry cream in between each crepe, and then you just stack it up. I did the darker colors on the bottom and then worked my way up so that it would follow the pattern of the rainbow. And then once you get to the top, then you'll pipe on some whipped cream or whatever topping you want. I preferred whipped cream because it's really light and fluffy and it tastes really great with the strawberry pastry cream. And then you can add any little candies and treats and things like that if you want. I also added some gold sugar crystals, which you don't see here, but it just added a nice little effect. And that's that. That's the rainbow crepe cake. Super delicious. You do want to refrigerate it when you're done, but made such a nice little birthday tribute to my dad. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Take care, everyone. Mwah. Bye.